Hello children, how are you? Fine? Hope all of you are fine with your parents. Okay, we can start our new chapter, chapter number 3. You can see the name of the chapter 3 is Continents and Oceans. Okay, we can start now. Before going to discuss the continents and oceans, we should learn the new two or three words and explanation of that words also. Here in the beginning of this chapter it is written, as we learned in the earlier chapters, the earth resembles a very huge ball. It is so huge that we can only see a very small part of it at one time. So how do we study it? We can discuss the two three new terms from this chapter before going to discuss the continents and ocean. Here in this slide you can see the two words are given, globes and maps. So see, I think you saw the globe in office in your school or in as if in our regular classes will be there. I will show you how the globes are there, how maps are there we have in our school. Okay, so here we can learn only what is globe. Learn, then after we learn the maps. First, what is the globe? A model of the earth, it is called as a globe. Means what is a globe? Globe is a model of the earth. This is the answer for that question. This globe shows us the whole earth. We can rotate it to see the different places. However, a globe is not big enough to show all the places in detail. Means globe is just like a model of the earth to show the whole world at the same time, but we cannot see the whole any part of the world in detail. So to solve this problem, means when we want to see the details of any place, we need another thing that is called as the map. We can see next. To solve this problem, we have drawing a part of the earth on a whole of it, or such drawing are called as map. The map is a drawing of a whole earth or whole world or a part of the world, that is called as map. This map we can see in the picture of this slide. Here it is showing a wall map. Okay, we next, when we keep the different or various maps together, it make a book. This book is called as atlas. Atlas means atlas is the collection of map. The atlas is a kind of book which is the collection of map of the different parts of the earth. Got it? Atlases are also available in multimedia format nowadays. You can see in the picture here, atlas book is wall map and globe. Now in this section the we can see the direction on a map. When we draw the map on any paper or piece of paper, as you saw in your home also, it may be okay, do you have any map in your home? Maybe. So in that map, one very important question is that how we can find the direction on a map. To keep in your mind, before you know that how many directions are there, mainly there are four directions: north, south, east and west. Okay, in the map, how we know these directions, we can see here. Put your map straight, means erect or hang on the wall. Now you can see upper part of the upper side of the map showing always north direction. Bottom of the top, means downside of the map, it is showing the south. Okay, here also it is written, if you stand facing a map, the top part of the map is north, bottom of the map is south, and at the right, your right hand, of the direction of the on the map will be the east, and on your left side the direction will be the west. So see here, if you stand facing a map, suppose any map hang on the wall and you are looking at the map, on that time top of the map will be the north, bottom of the map will be the south, and your right side part of the map will be the east, and left side part of the map will be the west. Understood? We can see and we can find out the direction with the help of this. Okay, up to here we can finish. Now one more important thing, as it is given in your book. Did you know, in olden time when there was no more tools are there to find out the directions, because people are mostly moving from one place to another place through the water route or water traveling through the oceans or the sea. That time how they find out the direction? At the daytime they can use the sun, where it is rising, that will be the east, where it is sets it is called as west, and after that they find out the north and south. Another way, at the night, with the help of pole star and other constellation, they are finding the directions. But after some time they find out or invent one tool that is called as compass, magnetic compass. You can see the picture in your book here. This magnetic compass used by the sailor to find out the direction, in which direction they are moving. So what is the compass? Compass is a device or a tool which is used to find the direction. It is looking like a watch. The needle of the compass always points to the north direction. With the help of this point we can find out the other direction. Okay, now after this we will discuss the continents and oceans one by one. First we will discuss the continent. As you can see in the next slide, world map. Okay, the continents are the large part of the land. Continents are the major part of the made by the land. Okay, the land parts are divided into 7 parts in the whole world. That 7 parts are called by the different name, and it is called as continent. In the world map you can see the Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe and Australia. Okay, and one more is there, Antarctica. Okay, we can see there are the 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Okay, so what is a continent? Continents are the large land masses. Okay, after this we will continue the questions. But keep in your mind these 7 names. These are the continents name. This I explained to you. Okay, thank you. Hello children, how are you? Fine. Hope all of you are fine with your parents. Okay, we can start our new chapter, chapter number 3. You can see the name of the chapter 3 is continents and oceans. Okay, we can start now. Before going to discuss the continents and oceans, we should learn the new 2 or 3 words and explanation of that words also. Here in the beginning of this chapter, here in this slide you can see the 2 words are given, globes and maps. So see, I think you saw the globe in office, in your school, or in as if in our regular classes will be there. I will show you how the globes are there, how maps are there. We have in this slide you can see the picture, got it, of Asia in a detail. See the different countries of Asia continent. Saudi Arabia, where we are living currently, Yemen, Oman, Iran, Iraq, Syria, Turkey, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, Russia, China, India, Thailand, and so on, Indonesia. Okay, so these are the country belongs to the Asia continent. Okay, Russia is the largest country in the Asia only, and as you know, Asia is the largest continent. Okay, thank you. In next class we will see the different oceans inshallah.